Help me! No! Hello guys, and welcome back to a new HeliCity YouTube video. Today we're gonna storm chase a tornado, episode 2. Okay, we're gonna spawn a vehicle right here. Okay, let's follow that tornado over there. Probably gonna get some big and destroying. Bruh, pretty big tornado. I don't know how big, but pretty big. And I'm gonna drive to it, probably. Okay, count and fly in the air, but can I try that? To not fly in the air. Okay. Well, there's a big tornado over there. Okay, I see that. Across this bridge. I think these power lines gonna get destroyed after the tornado. But we see. Boom, there's so much wind in here. Wait, where is the tornado again? Oh, it's right above us. Yeah, it's actually above us, I think. Bro, it's raining and lightning so much right now. Okay. I'm gonna... Wait, what? Where is the tornado? Wait, what? What? Where is it? Oh, there the tornado is. I see it. I see it. I see it. There he is. We see like the power lines and getting destroyed, or the electricity getting cut off. But this game is so close. Okay, we get drop. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna pull back. We're gonna pull back over the tornado. We're gonna pull back. We're getting pulled back. Oh no! 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 We're getting pulled back. We're getting pulled back. Oh no! 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 Drive. Okay, we're good now. We're good. We're good. Wow! Wow! Where is the tornado? Oh, look at the power lines. Got destroyed. And there it's gonna drive the wrong way, I think. Okay, follow the cars. Oh, the tornado is so scary and deadly. Oh. Okay, inch. Getting driving out in there. What is a lot of storm chasing this here? Oh my god, there's so much wind in here. Yeah, the tornado's right there. It's lightning very much. And don't try like to fly up in the air. That's not funny. You die. Probably in real life too, but oh, that's a giant. That's a big one. A big. Oh, this town getting destroyed after this. Or I think the thing knows heading to this way, or it actually is. I don't know actually. Okay, I'm following that car. Oh, it's lightning so much. I don't like it. I like lightning in real life, but in games are kind of scary and stuff. And special now the tornado. That's really scary. This game is so fun. Yeah, you're driving right into the tornado. Oh no, there's so much wind, there's so much wind, there's so much wind. How I don't even get picked up? How? Look at the power lines. The power lines. Getting destroyed. That's not good. That's not good. Not good. Not good. Power. Look at the power lines. Oh, there you go. There you go. Was deep in there. The tornado getting bigger and bigger. Oh no! The tornado getting bigger and bigger. Oh no! 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 Do not fly. Do not fly. Oh no! Okay. How is house surviving? It's like tornado right in here. Let's check out the speed. 83 miles per hour. That's a max. 83 miles per hour? Well, what the hell is happening? Is a bug here or something? Bro, literally just pick it up. Bro, literally pick it up. Okay, there we go. Getting into the car to chase the flipping tornado. This happens probably every day in the USA. We're getting 1,400 tornadoes every year in the USA, bro. That is crazy. In the whole country, getting more than one tornado every day. Isn't that crazy? It's all lighting on that house. On the house. Can these power lines survive? Oh no, the power line there is broken in half. Oh no, it's not good. This tornado. Okay, I'm driving on. Look at that tornado, bro. That's a roof. We're flying into the tornado. Look at that farm. Getting destroyed. But that's not good, bro. That's not good. The whole farm is got destroyed. But I'm driving right into it. Oh no, 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 no. No, no. No. I'm getting pulled back. No, 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 no. No, no. Oh no. Oh no, it's so powerful. No, 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 no. No. Help me, guys. Help me. Help me. Okay. Okay, I'm not falling. No. No, 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 no. Help. No. 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 Don't pick me up. I'm driving so fast. Don't pick me up. Oh. No, 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 no. Help me. I'm driving. I'm getting big back. No, 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 no. Help me. I'm getting stuck. I'm getting stuck. Oh no, I'm getting stuck. No, 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 no. Help me. No. Oh my God. Bro. What just happened? Yeah, that was a storm chasing, and it's lightning 24/7. Again, probably gonna drive out to again. Yeah, again. Probably not gonna. Give videos and to 30 seconds. Isn't that cool? Yeah, the video's about to end. That was a great tornado chasing of today's video. And see you guys later. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Adios. Bye bye.